In the Dittofeed segment builder, you can use the AND operator to create a segment of users who satisfy multiple conditions. Unlike alternative platforms, there's no limit to the amount of logical operators you can use with a segment in Dittofeed, which allows for highly targeted messaging. Let's imagine you want to segment users based on if they've signed into your app 3 times in the last day, and if they've also made at least one purchase in the last week. Create a new segment. I'll name this Recent Active Buyers. Click Create. In the conditioner group dropdown here, select User Performed and add a relevant event name. I'm going to use User Login and make the times performed at least 3. Now I'll add a time window of 1 day. Now make sure this conditioner group dropdown is set to and hit this plus button. Now I'll repeat similar steps here by selecting User Performed and adding a relevant event name. I'll use Purchased Item and make the times performed at least 1. I'll add a time window of 1 week. Hit save and you're done.